Where are we going, Kenton?
Chi-Town.
Chi-Town, baby.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday bed.
Are you excited? Yeah. Oh. We just
should have vlogged it.
I know, but I didn't want to be creepy. You guys, say hi to my vlog. We met Victor and Nicole from Big Brother. I'll insert a picture. It was so cool. They're so nice.
Everyone falls down sometime.
See this? I'm cash money, baby. It's trash.
Hell.
Around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up.
It's so good. Thanks. Smell like him.
Smells like diarrhea.
Free beef jerky.
Down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark,
I want to show you guys what I got. I got some free beef jerky. I've always wanted to buy a Yeti cup, so I finally bought myself a Yeti cup. This is like a cute new color. That's it.
yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey, even if the sun goes down on you. Yes, got it on video. Goes down on you. You gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Oh, I'm cruising through the city. Had to get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving, hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me, hey. Got the pedal moving swiftly. Vibe like suns, and I had to raise them strictly. Wishing I could always stay this way, hey. Chilling by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun...
It's time to eat some food now. It's really hot out here, holy cow. We're gonna be going over there, eating everything from Chicago.
Chi-Town, baby. It's good.
Hi guys, it's me in editing. So basically this is us walking into Taste of Chicago and walking out because we realized that the lines were about 5 miles long and it was 95 degrees out. So we walked in and walked out and headed to a burger restaurant.
Ready? Ready? So we're here at a burger bar. Great atmosphere so far, and they greeted us with some nice cold waters after the long walk here. So far, 8 out of 10.
Hi guys, how's it
Oh yeah. Look at that.
got world onions. Listening to our favorite song.
Goodbye, Chicago. Say it with me. Goodbye,
Chicago.
Chicago.
On top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah.